All right, so we're gonna start this video today, but I'm gonna drink a little bit of coffee before we start the video. It's hot. Well, no, it's warm. Oh no, wait, I can't drink this. I'm fasting. So what is the coffee really for? So now since you know the coffee wasn't for me, guess what it was for? It's to mix with henna. So as you know, in our instructions, we do recommend to mix with coffee, but that doesn't mean that you can't mix with water. You can always mix it with water, but mixing it with black brewed coffee helps richen the color tones that you want to get. So how do we really mix it? Come on and let's mix together. So we're going to be demonstrating our pure henna today. And you can use regular coffee, decaf, instant coffee. Make sure that it's not cold, it's not boiling. It's just perfect. It's warm to hot, but not too hot. And you want to start slowly adding into the liquids. I'm going to add a little bit more pure henna. So I can see it's very thick right now. I'm going to add a little bit more. Now, by any means, you can still use water if you want to, but again, using coffee gives you that richer tint that you need. If you're looking for something not too dark, then do not use coffee. Use just water. If you're afraid that you don't want to go too dark. Now, using the coffee, that is not the only benefit. It also improves the circulation of blood throughout the scalp, therefore giving you a much healthier hair. It also makes the hair softer, smoother, and manageable while giving it a wonderful texture and volume. So there's many benefits, not just for us drinking the coffee, but also applying it into your hair dye, especially henna hair dye. Henna itself has many benefits, and using coffee, almost doubling it. We hope you enjoyed this video of using coffee with henna. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.